Hello guys. Today I am telling you what is cryptocurrency. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, I want to tell you that you must have heard its name Bitcoin. Of course you have heard. That Bitcoin started in 2009. Its value in that time is $0.0009. And at today's time, its price is $32,000. If you bought Bitcoin for $100 at that time. So today you have $3.6 million. This is the power of crypto industry. It is not necessary that you invest money in any one coin, and your money will keep increasing. Like example, in 2013, there was a coin whose name was Namecoin. If you invested money in it, your money would not have increased because it was worth $1 then, and is worth $1 even today. So the main question is, if I invested money, then what kind of investment should I make? Where to do? How to do? And the biggest question is whether this is a scam or not. My answer is not, because if you invest money in it without knowledge, then your percentage of loss is high. But don't worry, that's why I made this video for you. So please subscribe Wise Thinking. So first of all, let me tell you 7 points why you should invest in crypto. Point number 1, potential for high returns. Cryptocurrencies have historically shown the potential for significant returns on investment. Many early investors in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have seen substantial gains over time. However, it's essential to remember that past performance is not indicative of future results, and investing in cryptocurrencies carries inherent risks. Number 2. Diversification. Cryptocurrencies offer an opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio beyond traditional assets like stocks and bonds. Since cryptocurrencies operate independently of traditional financial markets, they can provide a hedge against market volatility and economic uncertainties. Point number 3, accessibility. Unlike traditional financial markets, which often require a significant initial investment and may have barriers to entry for certain investors, cryptocurrencies are accessible to anyone with an internet connection and a smartphone or computer. This accessibility democratizes investing and allows individuals from around the world to participate in the cryptocurrency market. Point number 4, innovation and technology. Cryptocurrencies are built on blockchain technology, which has the potential to revolutionize various industries beyond finance, including supply chain management, healthcare, and voting systems. Investing in cryptocurrencies allows you to support and participate in the development of innovative technologies that could shape the future. Point number 5, global adoption. Cryptocurrencies are gaining increasing acceptance and adoption worldwide. Major companies, financial institutions, and even governments are exploring blockchain technology and incorporating cryptocurrencies into their operations. Investing in cryptocurrencies allows you to be part of this global shift towards digital currencies and decentralized finance. Point number 6, educational opportunities. Engaging in cryptocurrency investing provides an excellent opportunity to learn about blockchain technology, financial markets, and investment strategies. The cryptocurrency community is vibrant and active, with numerous online resources, forums, and communities where you can exchange knowledge and ideas with like-minded individuals. Point number 7, portfolio hedging. Some investors view cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. With the finite supply of certain cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, they may serve as a store of value similar to gold in times of economic uncertainty. Now, let's discuss some essential tips for beginners venturing into cryptocurrency investing. Tip number 1. Do your research. Educate yourself about different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, and the technology behind them. Understanding the fundamentals will help you make informed investment decisions. Tip number 2. Start small and diversify. Invest only what you can afford to lose and consider diversifying your portfolio across multiple cryptocurrencies. This spreads risk and can help mitigate losses. Tip number 3. Choose a secure wallet. Select a reputable cryptocurrency wallet to store your digital assets securely. Hardware wallets like Ledger or software wallets like Trust Wallet are popular choices. Tip number 4. Be mindful of market volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, with significant price swings in short periods. Be prepared for market fluctuations and avoid making impulsive decisions. Tip number 5. Stay informed and stay safe. Keep up to date with the latest news, developments, and security practices in the cryptocurrency space. Beware of scams and phishing attempts. And there you have it. 5 essential tips for beginners navigating cryptocurrency investing. Remember, While cryptocurrency investing can be exciting, it's essential to approach it with caution and diligence. The next question people ask is, can I also do crypto trading? I don't know how to trade, but there is an advantage for those who study commerce. Their debit and credit will be understood. So many people wonder, how does crypto work? How do all these coins like Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum grow? So this whole system runs on demand and supply. And all coins has its limitations, as Bitcoin will be circulate in the 21 million Bitcoin market. After that, it will not be circulating in the market. Well, there are still 140 years left for this to be completed. And this process of circulating also happens in a systematic manner. It's all about supply and demand. So this is the basic knowledge of crypto. We bring more videos on this topic, then keep subscribing to the channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cryptocurrency, investing, and personal finance. Thanks for watching.